Ever since AI came into existence, it has revolutionized the way the world operates. AI is being used extensively from high quality tasks like creating a strategy for a business to low quality tasks like drafting a simple email. So, if you're a job seeker, you have to use AI to level up your career game, or else you will get left behind. Now, let's be real. Job hunting can be exhausting. You send out tons of applications, and most of the time, you don't even hear back. And that's not even the worst part. Rebuilding your resume to fit each job application and constantly applying day after day until you get selected, it's emotionally and mentally exhausting. But there's no other choice because this is the only way we can get jobs. So, here is a way to make this process smarter, better, and quicker using AI. Watch this video for 10 minutes and follow this process if you want to save yourself hours of time and emotional turmoil. Now, the very first step is writing a cover letter that stands out. Most people think of cover letters as boring, generic, and kind of pointless. But here's the truth. A great cover letter can be your golden ticket to an interview. Let me help you with this. While a resume can be a perfect snapshot of your entire career, a cover letter actually aligns the job description with your previous experiences so that a recruiter can understand that you might be a good fit for this role. Now, I'll let you in on a secret. It's all about the layering. Think of it like making music. A single note doesn't create a song. You need melodies, harmonies, and refinement to make it work. It's the exact same thing with AI. You can't just throw in a prompt and expect magic to happen. You need to guide it perfectly. Now, the first part is you have to do your research. Before writing even a single word, you need to understand about the company. But instead of spending hours digging through their website, let ChatGPT do it for you. You can try out this prompt. Tell me about the company Notion, its mission, values, and what they care about. Now, you may ask, why does it even matter? It matters because when you align your cover letter with their mission, you instantly stand out to the recruiter. The next step is find out what they really want. Every job post is full of hidden clues about what they are looking for. Instead of guessing, let's get AI to break it down for you. Now here's a prompt that you can use. Extract the most important keywords from this job description and rank them by priority. You can also paste the job description in the ChatGPT. Now, by following this simple step, you'll know exactly what the hiring manager is focusing on, and you can exactly mirror that in your cover letter. The next step is generating your cover letter, and here's where the magic happens. Here's a simple prompt for you. Write a cover letter for this job at Notion using the job description given below. And that's it. You have a solid draft in seconds. But we are not done yet. A generic cover letter won't get you hired. You need to personalize it more. Now you can use a simple prompt in order to personalize it. Update this cover letter to include my work experience, and all you have to do is paste your work experience there. And just to add an extra flavor, you can refine the tone to match your personality. In order to do that, you can try out this prompt. Rewrite this to sound conversational, engaging, and authentic. Add humor and make the first sentence about how I can help the hiring manager solve their problems. Now, by following all the above steps, your cover letter will be miles ahead of 90% of other applicants. Now, the next obvious step is creating a resume that gets noticed. Your resume isn't just a list of jobs, it's a sales pitch for you. And before we move on to making a resume, let me tell you what an HR looks for in a resume. An HR typically looks at the overall journey you have had, right from college to an internship to the work experience, and all the achievements, struggles, and the experiences that you have faced. Now, an AI can make sure that your resume is polished, professional, and keyword optimized. So if you're a fresh graduate or switching your career, ChatGPT can create a solid first draft for you. Before we move on to the prompt, let's take an example. Rahul is studying in COEP college with a major in business economics. Now, here's how Rahul will write the prompt. Write a one-page resume for a recent graduate from COEP college majoring in business economics with experience in business accounting for 6 months. If you already have a resume, all you have to do is optimize it. You can copy your existing resume and let ChatGPT improve it. After this step, you have to copy paste the job description and ask ChatGPT to analyze it and take out important keywords that the HR would look for. Here's a simple prompt for you. Create a professional, well-structured resume based on this information, and you can paste your resume down below. All you have to do is make sure that it's aligned with the job description. Remember the keyword list we took from the job description? Ask ChatGPT to include those keywords in your resume. All you have to do is use this simple prompt. Update my resume to include the keywords from the job description. Add 5 bullet points per job with measurable results. And you can paste the keywords here. Now the next step is double check the numbers. AI might throw in just random stats, so make sure that they are accurate. If you need help adding these metrics, You can use this simple prompt. What are measurable achievements for add a specific job title and give examples. Now you can adjust the numbers to reflect your real impact. And that's it. In just a few steps, you have your well-crafted resume and your cover letter in your hands. AI is a game changer for all the job seekers, but only if you use it right. Now, your cover letter and resume are tailored, optimized, and ready to land your interviews.